हेलो एवरीवन। सो इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 50 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज फ्रॉम ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट। ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस सब्जेक्ट से आपको रिलेट करते हैं एंड दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर जीपेट एग्ज़ाम एंड फॉर एनी फार्मेसी related examination point of view. So let's start with the very first question, that is the Drug and Cosmetic Act was enacted in. So the Drug and Cosmetic Act was enacted in 1940. Okay, the act was passed in 1940 to regulate import, manufacturing, distribution and sales of drug and cosmetic. So 1940 was the sun. Second question, the primary objective of D&C Act is. So answer is C. The primary objective of D&C Act is to ensure safety, efficacy and quality of drug and cosmetic. Okay, so the drug and cosmetic act, so cosmetics sold in India are safe, effective and meet the quality standard. Third question, which of the following is not regulated under this act? So Ayurvedic drug are regulated under this act, cosmetics are regulated in this act, allopathic drugs are regulated in this act, but food supplements are not, because food supplement fall under the under FSSAI, not under D&C Act. Okay. Now come to the fourth question. The D&C Act, the D&C rule was framed in. So the D&C rule were framed in 1945. The rule to implement the act were framed in 1945. Next question, which schedule contain life-saving drug? So answer is B. Schedule H contain life-saving drugs. So option B is correct. So schedule H include prescription only drugs and often life-saving or high-risk drug. Question number 6, the Drug and Cosmetic Act extend to. So the option C is correct, because the D&C Act extended to all India. It applies to entire country including J&K after Article 370 abrogation. The question number 7, the central authority under this act is. So option number C is right. DCGI, Drug Controller General of India, regulate approval of new drug and clinical trials. Question number 8, Schedule X contain. So Schedule X contain narcotic and habit forming drugs. Option B is correct. So Schedule X deal with narcotic drugs and require strict documentation. Question number 9, which schedule describe the prescription format and labeling? So answer is A option is right. Schedule G, drug require label, warning and prescriptions usage. Question number 10, the minimum qualification of drug inspector is. So option B, option A is correct. B Pharm. So a B Pharm degree is the basic requirement for appointment of any drug inspector in India. Question number 11, who is responsible for granting license for drug and manufacturing in India? So answer is C. Option C is correct. State Drug Control Authority. Licensing for manufacturing is done by the State Licensing Authority. Question number 12, Drug and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisement Act was enacted in. So option number B is correct, 1954. This act prohibit misleading advertisement related to drug and magical cures. Question number 13, which schedule deals with standard of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs? So schedule T is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. The schedule T outline the requirement for ASU drug manufacturing, that is Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs manufacturing come under the schedule T. Question number 14, which schedule provide guideline for clinical trials? So schedule Y, that is option A is correct. Schedule Y provide guideline for clinical trials. Question number 15, the punishment for manufacturing spurious drug include imprisonment up to. So option C is correct, 10 year to life. So spurious drug manufacturing can lead to imprisonment from 10 year to life. Question number 16, schedule M is related to. So schedule M is related to manufacturing, that is option B is correct, good manufacturing practice. And schedule M is specific GMP requirement for drug manufacturing unit. Question number 17, schedule H1 was introduced in. So schedule H1 was introduced in 2013. It is for certain antibiotics and anti-TB drugs. The question number 18, the test for cosmetics is conducted by. So option C is correct, Central Drug Laboratory, Kolkata. Cosmetic testing is handled by CDL, Kolkata. Now come to the question number 19, that is DNC Act is divided into how many parts? So it is divided into two parts. Option number D is correct. So part 1 deal with the drugs and part 2 deal with the cosmetics. Now come to the question number 20, schedule J lists. So option B is correct. So disease that cannot be claimed to be cured is come under that category, schedule J. So schedule J lists disease for which no drug claim can be made. Question number 21, which of this is prohibited act under this law? So means in DNC, which of this is prohibited under DNC law? ठीक है, तो selling of expired drug, yes it is prohibited. Storing of for sale without license, yes it is prohibited. And manufacturing without license, it is prohibited. So all of the above is correct answer. D is the right option. All these things are punishable under this act. Question number 22, which body advises the central government or technical matter related to drugs? So Drug Technical Advisory Board is the central government authority. Okay, so option C is the right answer. DTAB is the highest technical body under the act. Now come to the question number 23, that is schedule C deals with. So schedule C deal with the biological and special products, that is vaccine, toxins, serums, etc. Okay, so option A is correct answer. Now come to the question number 24, sales of drug without prescription is allowed for. Okay, so OTC drugs come under the category of sales of drug without prescription. Okay, over the counter drug. So over the counter drug can be sold without prescription. Option B is correct. Now come to the question number 25, that is first Indian pharmacopoeia was published in. So first Indian pharmacopoeia was published in 1955. It was released under the Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee in 1955. Question number 26, who appoint the drug inspector? So state or central government appoint the drug inspector under section 21. Question number 27, which of the following is adulterated drug? So option B is correct, drug with unauthorized coloring agent. Unauthorized ingredient make drug adulterated. Now come to the question number 28, that is penalty for selling misbranded drug include. So option number C is correct, imprisonment and fine is the penalty for selling misbranded drugs. Okay. Now question number 29, that is Central Drug Standard Control Organization come under. So Central Drug Standard Control Organization come under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option number C is correct. Question number 30, a cosmetic is considered spurious if it is contaminated. Yes, right. If it is contaminated, it is considered spurious. All the condition of spurious cosmetics, option number A is correct. Question number 31, which of the following is not function of CDSCO? So regulating narcotic drug is not the function of CDSCO. Narcotics are regulated under NDPS Act. Next, question number 32, Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by. So Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by Indian Pharmacopoeian Commission, that is IPC. Now come to the question number 33, schedule D covers. So schedule D deals with the exemption of imported drugs. Exemption for imported drug. Option number B is correct. come to the question number 34. Labeling requirement are specified under. So labeling requirement are specified under Schedule U. Schedule U outline labeling and packaging rules. Question number 35. The Drug and Cosmetic Act does not cover. So Drug and Cosmetic Act does not cover pricing. Option number B is correct, because drug pricing is controlled by NPPA, not under this act. Question number 36. Pharmacovigilance is governed by. So pharmacovigilance is governed by Schedule Y, and outline rule for reporting adverse drug reactions. Question number 37. Magic Remedy Act prohibits. So option B is correct, because Magic Remedy Act prohibits ads claiming cure of for diseases. Okay, it restrict misleading claim in advertisement. Question number 38. Which drug is not under Schedule H? So homeopathic medicines are not come under the Schedule H. Okay, homeopathic drugs are regulated separately. Question number 39. Schedule N deals with. So Schedule N deals with laboratory equipments standards. Okay, so Schedule N lists required equipments for drug testing labs. Question number 40. Which drug schedule require a red RX label? So Schedule H drug require RX and red labels. Question number 41. Spurious drug are defined under the section. So spurious drug come under the section 17B. Okay. Question number 42. Adulterated drug are covered under. So adulterated drugs covered under section 71A. Okay. That is adulterated drug section 17A, and spurious drug under section 17B. So remember this. Question number 43. Misbranded drugs are mentioned under. So misbranded drug mentioned under section 7. So section 7 deals with the misbranded, spurious and adulterated drugs. Okay, note this point. And question number 44. The act prohibit cosmetic that contain. So option number B is correct, because mercury compounds, based products are prohibited in cosmetics. Question number 45. Schedule P specifies. So Schedule P specifies. Option A is correct. Storage condition. Schedule P specifies the shelf life and storage condition. Question number 46. The labeling of Ayurvedic medicine is governed by. So labeling of Ayurvedic medicine is governed by rule number 161. Option C is correct. Question number 47. Blood product fall under which schedule? So answer is option A is correct. Schedule C. Blood product fall under the Schedule C, because all biological and blood product come under Schedule C. Question number 48. Schedule K provide exemption for. So Schedule K provide exemption for government institutions. So Schedule K allow exemption for government and certain institution supplies. Question number 49. Drug requiring special storage fall under. So the drug that require special storage fall under Schedule P. Okay, because Schedule P listed the drug that are specific, that have their specific storage condition. Question number 50. That is act empower which authority to inspect premises? So drug inspector, that is option number C. Drug inspector are authorized to inspect under the act. So these are very important 50 questions from pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Thank you.